tugirire kandi akatuiha omuko kubanza omu mwaka ogwo akatusiya n'obwaha tukiri abahuriire. We thank him. Program kwe tuje tuna abakituzi Farm Company Limited kandi of course ine Claire Nkaburijo niburura kana shesha tuneceka mpaka hashaha ina kandi kituzi drinkage nibagikora mu bintu bishatu ubuki obutuzi hamwe n'amajani. Wanya kituzi ari kufuka it is the best. Mwe niba takatestingira hari kituzi genda kumanya cyo tegerize konka ka kituzi kari kufuka n'akantu karunje munonga kandi kituzi eginenyuwa buri age. Abine abazira bakuzire na mnonga ababira abazeyi abakikuru waba pakingira ka kituzi as a gift n'akantu karunje munonga because nkabayamba ho mu magufa something like that. Bitindi nyenko mu program erizoba nyine abakituzi highway point. Kituzi yakasharamu yagirete nyine bakore cyo kunywa mbakorere hoteli mbakorere aho kuzanira mpira bine nakashayi ko mpira ngarizoba tuyine abakituzi highway point. Nyine manager Paul naona ndakutugambira ibintu bingi munonga last week tukatumwina hana tugambira uko bariyo nibarondana ronje wa Bushenyi Greater nene rizoba twijana nondejo okwenda ku inspiringa abariyo nibaza kuza omupaka zana ronje mbene ndari kushisha bwire ikanyikirize Paul ayanjure nabwanyuma turebe na nomjene ndijo twine Miss Tourism wa Renzori na watugambira amazina ge nabwanyuma tugomizemo Paul yo bari nakushemera
Nenyashira Claire
yebari kwisha
naje nakira kusanga
yanjira bari kutureba nabwanyuma tugomizemo
Nkaburijo amazina ni banyita Paul Kutamba manager wa Kituzi Highway Point umurentuha mu Bushenyi district.
Thank you so much Paul kandi twine na Miss Tourism Renzori ni shabani we yanjira bari kutureba
aho bari mnonga amazina banyita Shivon Muganda, the reigning Miss Tourism Renzori region, the first runners up. Thank you.
Thank you to Mbwenu Paul twagaruka wawe ntwenda kumanya ubundi umuntu waiza kutekaho TV gishaha aha highway point hari yuki Kituzi highway point.
Kituzi highway point no mwanya uguriwa ukusanga umuhanda ukuza mbarara Bushenyi umurentuha Kituzi highway point ni heri. Kituzi highway point no mwanya ugwine wo ebintu byingi ate bire bintu tugweta ibintu Kituzi city.
Okay.
Gwiyungire gwakura gwaba Kituzi city. Twineho ekishayi cy'ompira, twineho ebara mpango, twineho restaurant, twineho petrol station, twineho akatare, twineho supermarket, ebyo nabiri ya mwanya gumwe oguba kweta Kituzi city. So twine ibintu birungi munonga Kituzi highway point. Twine umwanyo ample parking space. Umuntu noyiza de motoka yawe opakinga je, security ninungi, customer care ninungi, buri kimwe kirije Kituzi highway point.
Okay.
Kandi hati nta Kituzi drink kwesa zirimo yateka umwanya gwa Kituzi highway point yagira ngo aba customer bezo bize bagumene banywero ka Kituzi umwazo. Yateka mu fridge nungi. Fridge zo naziri yaho zazira mu Kituzi nibyo kunywa bindi. Umuntu yizaruhire anywa Kituzi drink. Ayawiriho numwanya ka Kituzi drink mba recommending at least umuntu abe nanywa bucupa bushata. So umuntu yakora bo mukasheshe ka breakfast ayitera kacupa. Umwazo cyamesana ayongera kandi. Yazire kuriya cyacyo ayongera kandi. Atomba sanga abantu babaje no abantu atubina mani mingi nabwo Kituzi drink. Kituzi tugisima gumanya abantu icyo kunywa abantu manya Kituzi drink. Ati nkaburizo Kituzi drink nke gumanya ne garuza abantu bayo buri mwaka ne bakorewe cyamane cyenjawuri buri mwaka atogo mwaka baritire the face of Greater Bushenyi.
Okay.
Bushenyi yujukera impango konkabika badicamo ceka. So kukazi Kituzi gisuye yagira ngo dekatsu garike tubarundane aba Greater Bushenyi mwizo turebe ko twagarikaho mbene tuketereza tukagumiza mu kwatanisa batekawe impaka za the face of Greater Bushenyi. Impaka izo zitaba mu districts 5 former reserves yo muri Bushenyi, mu Bushenyi main, mu Rubirizi, Shema, Buweju na Mitomo. Ezo nizezo. So tugenda tufuna nturunda mwina bishya bakubasa bishya bamani.
Okay.
Abamana bishya abamagezi ito tukurebera aburunjo bwa misho we get beauty with brain tukuza kureba ongiyo norebe kajya misho konkota kubasha kushobora abantu babushenyi ekibakwetaga nenki bamena kwingo umwana utakubasha kugambira so twenda abantu abine beauty with brain so twasaramu turonda bishiki mu district sago tuyo tutambura mu district ago tiriwe uhuru yo kutambura mu district ago tukuronda bishiki abamageza abamani twagira bushenyi main twabarunzira babushenyi twarunzira bashema turiyo nyumwazo abashema bayirundana bona twabakunganya twabiyamu abarazo mu paka finals twabareba amande 2014 nzo kwa turumitomo district headquarters so aba mitoma bariyokwe wowe n'umushiki wawe niyo mushiki ari na Treva TV West bitonto kugambira ngo izo amande iza mitoma kai district tukwandike nabe twahandikire bona bayawe izana sibiri mitoma kutambura mitoma yo nukwe so abishi twabafuna turiyo tugambira nabandi abakiriyokwe bize behandikise ebiro 12 amande nzo kubantu barunda abarize bakaza finals bakakwatara nabashima nabawushenya bitwarebire nzo kuzana rubirize 2016 ndabo tubiheyo 2018 tuze buwejo nayo tubiyo abo tubona twabafuna ebire bishato kwa katano ntubateka untureba district ya presenting omagezno ubwenye umushyo w'amano turahe crown akaba the face of Greater Bushenyi narisi miss Greater Bushenyi ebiro bishatu tweza kurecho tubateka abo tujonjoremo tumkwasa anda kusinga nagenda nende intira hawo boya tujukusimbite tuziyete kusibente tujukupakira tujukora delivery owanyu mpaka owanyu mbaziriba tukusimbente dena bakuratira ubwo yasinga ebirabo biro bingi twino sente twindiwe nkoko ama TV ama firiji radios byona biryawe birawo byo kwangwa tinaragenda tinishirabo oba ati nkanye karagane so abo wa 20 ninyamweshirawo nyumuraganisa rabo wa 20 ishirabo cyamani nyo tipenda kureba uko banza nyo neza ko wa 20 nza kumwishirawo cyamani wa 20 yaryokwe awura ahamire ngo kirabo nanyi n'incumu so buri yo munariga unishirabo bareke kutina mbu ngo bamuhente buri mwe inishirabo kandi ngareka mbagira ngo mureka kurebera ante yonka murebere abintu bitine bindi nka twine opportunities zo kuba ziriho umuntu wawe wasingire umuntu wawe yatebiromo cyo kumanyisa you have presented yourself from public twine companies nyingi zirabe ziriho twine abantu binja bareba bari mukorogu aba TV West mbako bariho abantu bingi companies tuzi family abantu supportingire ba sponsors ni bingi companies so mbako bari yawo ati yo mushyo ryo kuningambira nti don't look at the cow iwo ryo kuyija izoitekawo urebe wakufuna muki wayisimba nuburi ya company regira ati yo mushya Simba no wabo 10 konkengere yo ayipresentingamo ni amagezi mingi so offer the chance bakomuri nuburi ya TV West ne kwita no kora reception mutafuna chance watandika gukora sentimirimo y'ebirebe n'icyo na nuburi ya umbagira ngo izo bi ambassador wa Kituzu drink naba highway nabone barunda ambassador manya bakubagambira buri ambassador twakusindikaza gambira abantu companies nyingi no somire twine banks sponsoringire event nuri yabosomira accounts uyo norundo murimo konkato baba bank baba kurebiro yesimbire mamanyisa ngo nubasa kubagambira ozomba customer bagambire ba customer bacenye so je no opportunity riho ekusinga kirabo erirongo lasting so abantu bari yo kwimuni wo uri yo ko mushi atiro TV West ebuka ngwiza wa Simba zo Simba ebintu bingi so ebiro bishatu ndubona tukora finals kandi tukoza kuzakora finals zonka twinono mwesho muzi izoberi kandi tugeze twacukora twenda tureta umushiza twareta n'umukazi ari abaye ridingira baki abesongoza abo kubantu wenda thimo yitwenda tukore yogo mukoro ni kwekarejinga bakazi kubagariza mamande so atonde bagariza mu ntubetire umukazi na westira abereke ngo icyakora nshkurashe nkibasika twabaretera spice dan baza kubaro hawo nabatera ubuziki abinji mamenya mberuka kura kesho ngora ka sate tu mushesha ine winji so uyo kwerebuka ngwisha ebiro bishatu omukasheshe nduza kutera nakaziki kebiro bibiri abantu barare n'umutera dance ebiro bishatu ntugura omukasheshe mpaka ebiro bingahe bina tuzagareka nshinga ibiro bina shamukagezi
Zakurara.
tuza kutandika bibiri akasiki bishatu umukoro bina tuinuke na bitanu tuza kwikari so abantu bona bari yokwe ito twayiteka tekire kituze bintu yabiterize highway buri kimwe kiriyo mwamare bire barayituriya era mu buri kimwe cyo kunywa cyona kutandikira ari kituze drink mpaka cyusemba cyo cyorahuriye cyo nakiriho buri kimwe kiriho cyo kurya kiriho ati nguma cyo kuza kwenda ubu wize biro bishatu tandike biro bibiri kwija umanye buri kimwe kiriho taro kutindatinda ngo nuzagare kumuka buri kimwe cyo nakiriho urebuke ngwiza aho umwanya gwitu wafuna ki service zone so mburi tinibiti byonebe.
Okay, thank you so much manager Kituzi Highway. Ntwera kumanyiza ebyo to expecting ebiro bishatu byo kwezi kwa katano twije ntuza kurya tumyeta no kushashura sente
ebiro bishatu byo kwa katano mwe kamaze garize nyuma ati ngo tuje turonda abantu ma district okubaronda n'ubusha iwo ryo kuizo etabe n'ubusha amyanya ryo ati ngo turi ya district ya mitoma kutabetura amande ukwiza kuri baba kutorana
kwenda registering nyowe ko mukikinija nintahira busha. Okay,
registration is free.
Okay,
you just kwenda presenting yourself nibikugamba ngori wakuno wabushenye kureta bushenye chonga registration iri busha ebiro bishatu tutirwa kasente kake kabantu baraje kusupportinga kutahambo engineer support kusupportinga bishibitu n'imitware ebiri then
imitware ebiri nishashurwa yitwa abija mukoro. Okay,
abija mukoro abantu bita baburizo abanyoni bakituzi na community around kurugo mugureta bushenye umurimbarara umubwene umuhangaryo n'abarebaro
akoka itwa bishiki tuturi kushashura
abishi atwarashashura.
Okay,
abaye registering it is free.
Okay,
if you register yourself free registration participation it is free taro kushashura kintu cyone. Then abayito ba community shashura mitware ebiri bishatu then tuzakuba tuyinona table yokusitamu abantu mukanga tebeje neza kubera ibintu bingi ibyo kunywa n'ibyo kurya biza kuba biri atebeje no sasure mitwaro 30 umusitamo abantu mukanga.
Okay,
so ikintu ko tushitereze kitota kabo kaburabura tembo kandi abantu bari bazugura sigire wonke iwano ndakubookinga no tugambira abashirikare ntukuruza vinjira tembo ukaza rero zuwayo abantu mbamanye cyacu tuzi ikibakiri class taro kuza kusanga ngo umuntu ngo atebo usanga ubucupa bw'amizi yito tebo nere class nicyo bari bazugura abashirikare batanukire kuzubukinga tebo bari bazumara so aryokwe tushire turebuke ngo tebo wagira zavinga wajibukinga abashirikare twento manyangweje tembo yakireya eraha tugira zavinge yija n'abagenyi be bari sitama kuri Binonga.
Thank you so much Yebare Binonga manager Paul wa Kituzi Highway Point. Mweno iwo watugiza yedeshaha Kituzi Highway Point kwenda kugaruza aba clients bayo beriyo nigarukumba tukande rukuronda narungi wa Greater Bushenyi. Mweno mukuronda narungi wa Greater Bushenyi twagira ngo hatereka turete na Tourism ahabwa Renzori nawe agarize mu abana babiki imwe bari kutekateka ngo bondo no yetina ubundi nore muturi kubasagamba mbantu mweno nawe ntwenda tugarize mu amani ko mushiki muto nkwe mpangarento kandi already yakire yeri kumanya what it means ubundi ekatugariza amani to bari kwenda kujoininga package mwene muganda nshabangogire ebgambo biwatugambiraho na mnongeje minyete mito na yeriyo neza kuzumu package.
Okay, thank you so much. Unyankore ni manyaruche konka umpikirize nganyire niwe omuruzungu. Yeah. So thank you so much for this opportunity. everyone that is hearing us today, I would like to tell all the girls out there that this is a very huge opportunity for you to actually join pageantry. Pageantry is a very amazing thing you can join. First of all, I personally am going to say I'm a very good example of a product of pageantry. Previously, I was so timid. I never used to express myself in public. I wasn't confident. But right now, as you can see, I can be able to talk to people at any moment. So it is a good thing. Of course, there are very many misconceptions out there about pageant, but I want to tell you that it is a very informative activity. It is very helping. It has helped so many people. First of all, pageant has actually groomed very many great women out there. For example, the late Cecilia Ogwal was actually the Miss Uganda. So it's not something people should actually fear to join, because it's going to help you at the end of the day, and you get very many opportunities. I mean, I'm on TV. Not everyone is going to be called on TV, because why are they calling you? But I'm actually here on TV because the reigning Miss Tourism Rwenzori, the first runners up. So it puts you out there. You get visibility for so many people. Very many people get to know you. Very many people get to call you for different opportunities. It depends on how you actually approach it, and how intelligent you are, and how active you are. First of all, I want to tell you that if you are really interested in joining to become the next Miss Greta Bushenyi, I want to tell you that first of all, you're going to be the pioneer, and the company that you're actually working with, it's already a great company. You could be the face of Chituzi. That alone it's a very good opportunity already, because you're already working with an already established company. It's not scam, like you already have a starting point. You're working with a very good company. There are very many opportunities waiting for you out there. So kindly come and participate. Come and be part of this pageant. It's a very good one, and very many people that have gone through pageantry have success stories. And I invite all of you. Next Monday we are going to be in Mitoma. Everyone that is watching us and you are in Mitoma, kindly come for the auditions and come and be part of this. Next we are going to be in Rubirizi. We are going to let you know when we are going to be in Rubirizi. Any girl that is out there, come and be part of this great opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Tourism Mahabwa Rwenzori Muganda. Kandi of course ariyo natugariza mwamane itwe empangari ntezi ryoko. Namwe bari Mitoma urukubanza bari Mitoma kwehandikisa kuri free. Tubari kushabana kikumi cyawe iwe kikuru twara umutego wawe twara face yawe twara ubwenge bwawe, because want to reba ngo kuronda Miss Greta Bushenyi tubari kureba face how beauty you are. Nibareba ubwongo bwawe nobasagamba n'abantu nobasa ko express ngo mishoga abantu nibareba umutego wagura mu bwenge. So tubari kwenda ebya sente kandi tubari kwenda ngo niwe uhora umurozi mnongamisho mbene ni manager Paul ntwendoga ariko gire bice biwashobora ahizobe yo na mnonge rikure rye birashatu, because yo ndire numutambira umyanye tari yemwe nimwe numuhandika bici kunka abicaba na ubundi bintu kwetina tuba kumanya cyenyine kiri hizoberi
bari mnonga ebiro bishatu ntuza kuba twine umukoro gwitu gwaburije ngo twagugamba ntuza kuba twinewo finals z'ebiro bishatu zeya ngutukutambura hati nturunda abantu abagize bakaza finals zebyo nturunda mu nsunshura nturunda mu mushiki akubasa ku representing Greta Bushenyi yona mushuri yo kwitukuro ntwagira ngo bareke kwitina n'ikintu cyorobi twabaretera good example the reigning queen wa Rwenzori n'ikintu cyorobi ni chikorwa it is achievable, so reka kutina umushyo ryo kunikugambira reka kutina gira amani reka kugira ubwoba ekintu nkibasika ekintu nkikorwa ntuza kutandika mukasheshe bushirika rito ntuza kwigura gates nza kwanza igura kare tandike kureba abishimba koraki bino trainings twaiza kubiyaho nkuko twatwaga twaiza kubiyo mu districts abo ntuza kwa subjectinga trainings bege kuri ibintu biri karicho umwishina jwara atana basa kuzwara umushanana nasa kuzwara gomesi ibimbe bintu bitarabento yega twigisa abantu bitu umuntu nayega gukora sabundi umushabe namanyangu nasa gukora sabundi ayebiseho ejo ni opportunity yo kugira ngo next after the 3rd of May basa kugira utandiko business yo kwekora sabundi no basa kola pads wachideba ukuri pads zo yambe community yawe inje bintu bitwenda tubegese umuntu ayege twakwe twine community outreaches tuzo mu marwariro tureba abantu tubagambira uko abantu twine abantu abo magezi ko tukugamba umuntu yaza nko mu irwara base kugariza mu ndizo amasiko ugawira amasiko nasagamo umurire nawe agarika yiguru afuna mani so ibintu binge biturayegesa bikibitu mbwene umuziro takagira ubwoba uryo kwegambira biki umushyo wawe umurete umutwase nza kuba twine ibintu birije umuteka umitendera bege ibintu byinshi umushege kwata abikibitu tubakimanya kwata mbamanya kuteka empogura hati izonga so ntuza kubegesa kuteka ekitoki ukakinyiga ukakikomera ukagoya karu ibintu nkebe biriyo nibibaho abantu bege how to be safe wajireba abantu binja bishi mbaturuka mu mashomero batakaize kushoma unwanted pregnancies ebyo nabantu baza kubana biega kandi biturabyeje sabi nibo baratora mu communities noreba turinde districts 5 so ato umuntu ayegecho naza kuchitwara mu district yeye washima na chitwara wabweju na chitwara warubirizi na chitwara wamitoma na chitwara so kakutwara echo arebeka ngo yegesa abantu abandi so ntubinkarejinga bishaba byo kumwizge muyiyo boba tuburiyo ibintu byorobi nugize niba ukusanga at next time niyo bakoreta nko kuyiza akugambira region yawe so ntugambira ngo umushari yoko usa kwizugambire the face of Greater Bushenyi obe ambassador wa company yokwe so ebiro bishatu zotu n'umukoro wa man abeshongozi bari yaho ba comedians bakwa bari yaho so you word yokwe expecting echamani.
Yes, thank you so much, manager. Kind of course, ukwiriye kuhendera tushemere namba zesimu ezobundi harukwetenga kujoininga face of Greater Bushenyi ahiya kubasa kutandikira.
Muntu kwenda kujoininga ryokwe nuza kutera isimu yeje ya 0 44 2646 ninga shino basa kutereje namba yo kureba screen yawe ituwagitereje namba mbaza kwakira mbakushobora mbakudirecting buri kimwe cyona ekikwetaga kukorwa izoberyo nukugwa kubasa kwiyandikisa uma district yo ntamboro kwiyandikisa kujya kugenda misho so itwikire gukutwa twagambire 2012 musakuba turi Mitoma district headquarters so wa Mitoma ubo Mitoma chweka ki wiza district ntuza kwandikira tukwetaga kwiza kituzi highway point ntuza kwija district yawe Mitoma 2012 ntuza kwandika 2016 ntuza kuza rubiriza owarubirizwe no mushyari interested wiza district headquarters ntuza kwandikiraho rubirizi ahawe then wabuwejo ariyo 2018 ntuza kuba turi mu rubuwejo in tukwandika bona bishike babuwejo kandi izo nkaza buwejo nabona bari barya bishike barungi bamani nyonka bareba akabandi nabareba mwene bari yo kumureke kutina muize muyandikise abamitoma nabarebere abahandikise ntubasima nabarubiriza muyandikise ntubasima munonga kunka nta muingaraging nabandi nabo bize bakoresha bihandikise ebiro ebyo tukoresha umukoro tugusindiko misho gugendeje gubeje bwene birushatu ntubeta mwije mubeho tugumeze mutukoresha inshamani nkaburijitwe hayo point ende bitu birungi byona babirya muzuri.
Okay.
Yes.
Echo gambira ba clients bitu na mnonga bari kukozesa mnonga kitize drink ningana y'abashobozi bitu.
Yes. Ba client bitu aba kugura kituzi ntubasima munonga. Nimo mukutufura ekituri. mwa mutatwire kituzi abantu nito tukuba ebitukuba kunka kugira ngo numugura kituzi ntubasima mu region zone kituzi negenda mu northern Uganda abantu bajunywa mu eastern ntubasima south western ntubasima western Uganda ntubasima mbwenu buri cheka cyona cya Uganda kandi ati kituzi kwebire yamani yaza beyond even borders zo mu East Africa abantu mbanya kituzi iwari yo katakajinywere mbwenu no missinga cyangu iwonywa kituzi warabanya kituzi ebindi bina no wabireka iwe kwate kituzi drink ntubasima ntubebaza buri kimwe cyone kitwine ntubebaza mbwenu mugumize mwaho ntuza kureba na ibiro bishatu mtakamisinga patero muranga mubeho.
Thank you so much Paul. Ebirashatu byokweze kwa katano twena twishanje aha kituzi highway point kandi bwe turi kuronda narungi wa Greater Bushenyi ningasha the face of Greater Bushenyi abishini bahandikizwa busha iyo korero no horo ine kitekateko cyo kwenda kuba narungi wa Bushenyi okwehandikisa kuri free na hizo byo tine sente zibara kucharginge shanitwe abari kwenda kuza kureba impakezi batcharginge mitware biliyonka kandi okugura table n'mitwaro 30 table y'abantu mukaga and we go we have fun. Kituzi drink neshangwa buri duka yona supermarket yona inamba isimu area ha screen in case ubundi washanga program tugihendera igitere ije namba nibaza kushobora buri kimwe cyo nekikwasira hari kituzi drink ekikwasire aha kurunda na rungi wa Greater Bushenyi iwe nambeje gikozese kurungi mnonga. Program iri y'abakituzi Farm Company Limited abari kutukora cyo kunyeza kituzi drink icyo kunywa kintu bakikora mbintu bishatu ubuki obutuzi hamwe n'amajyane. Wayne Claire kandi na manager Paul aha watuzi Highway Point kandi twatwine na Miss Tourism aha bwa Renzori na wari kugarira mu abicaba mani na mnonga bari kwenda kweta bo mu pakezi. Reka twendeze ko yara kurungi utarga ha TV West.
We all know that data doesn't come cheap, but don't worry, we've got you.